Hey y'all, today we're going to be making one of my favorites, kimchi fried rice. Kimchi has amazing health benefits and is just definitely one of my favorite ingredients to use of all time. For today's protein, I'm just using chicken thighs. If you don't eat meat, please use tofu. This is a great dish to throw your leftover vegetables in. First, I'm seasoning the chicken with some soy sauce, Japanese mirin, and some Korean red pepper powder. As we all know by now, I am a garlic fiend. So after adding a ton of that, I'm adding my vegetables. Broccoli, carrots, and now I'm doing another round of seasoning. Next, lower the heat and then add your kimchi. Squeeze the juice of your kimchi out and then add the kimchi. Mix it all together. Now I'm adding more spinach. Optional, but I like to flavor with oyster sauce. At this point, you can go ahead and dump your leftover rice in. Ideally, your rice will be around 2 days old. Quickly scrambled an egg and you can totally stop here. Or, if you're an egg fiend like me, you can fry up an egg and put it on top of your kimchi fried rice. Ah, that looks so good. This meal is so quick, simple, and easy, and perfect to make in huge portions. I sprinkled some sesame seeds on top of it, and then I present it to my love. She was pretty hype about it. She loves kimchi fried rice. We absolutely love eggs in this house. Ugh, here's my food happy dance.